child's glee fills the air. In a lush jungle, a child's laughter echoes, riding atop a gentle mammoth. Across the sparkling ocean, a child's glee fills the air, riding a giant tortoise through the waves. In a snowy expanse, a child fearlessly navigates the terrain atop a woolly rhino. Through the vast desert, a child confidently journeys on a massive camel, their laughter echoing in the wind. In an unexpected twist, an ancient sloth struggles with the modern contraption of a washing machine. The sloth's actions are marked by comical slowness, turning an everyday chore into a spectacle. In a nearby kitchen, a saber-toothed tiger, donned in a chef's hat, battles with baking, creating a flour-dusted chaos. Flour coats everything, from the tiger's fur to the chaotic kitchen, highlighting the relatable struggles of culinary endeavors. In a sun-drenched field, rabbits dart with playful energy around the massive legs of a gentle elephant. The elephant, a titan of tenderness, uses its trunk to nudge the rabbits in a display of affectionate play. A symphony of unlikely friendship unfolds, underscored by soft, whimsical melodies that dance through the air. In a serene meadow, a majestic lion watches over a small, defenseless baby sheep. The lion gently nudges the sheep with its nose, a tender gesture of protection. Defying nature, the lion's protective instincts create an unexpected bond. A rare white snow leopard plunges into the ocean, its form disrupting the water's surface. The snow leopard's snowy coat contrasts against the deep blue sea. Against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks, a young boy, adorned in furs, journeys through the daunting mountain range atop a massive dire wolf. Their breaths mingle in the frigid air. Their eyes meet in a silent exchange of trust and affection, solidifying their unique companionship. Their intertwined existence highlights the inherent harmony between nature and their unique bond. In the heart of an ancient forest, a bear diligently sweeps the forest floor with a broom made of branches. Small woodland creatures observe with amusement as the bear meticulously cleans. The bear continues to sweep, creating a humorous scene. Beside the riverbank, rabbits transform the elephant into a whimsical garden, adorning it with vibrant flowers. The elephant relishes the affection of its tiny companions. In the heart of the lion's den, a moment of unexpected tenderness unfolds. A large lion tenderly licks the baby sheep, ensuring it is clean and comfortable. The scene highlights the lion's unexpectedly nurturing instincts, showcasing the sheep's vulnerability. In the Arctic Ocean, a snow leopard swims gracefully through the frigid waters, its white fur blending seamlessly with the icy surroundings. The leopard navigates the underwater world with curiosity, exploring the depths with elegance and confidence. The leopard's adventurous spirit shines as it embraces the unexpected, showcasing its adaptability in this frozen realm. A young girl traverses the vast desert atop a giant, sand-colored lizard, her laughter echoing through the dunes. The lizard playfully flicks its tail, stirring up sand as it bounds across the sun-drenched landscape. Warmth and adventure converge, painting a vivid portrait of pure joy against the backdrop of an arid world. Deep within the cave, firelight dances across the face of an ancient caveman. He painstakingly etches images of animals and children onto the rock. A poignant act of remembrance unfolds, preserving their story for ages to come. Amidst a sea of sunflowers, an elephant and rabbits revel in unrestrained joy. The sunflowers stand tall, their golden faces tilted towards the sun. Laughter echoes through the fields as the friends play amongst the sunflowers. Under a vast, starlit sky, the lion and baby sheep lie side by side, wrapped in shared tranquility. Their eyes are fixed upward, lost in the infinite expanse of the night sky. Peace settles upon them, a testament to the unlikely bond forged in mutual respect and affection. A hidden underwater cave opens, filled with colorful coral and exotic fish. The white snow leopard pauses, marveling at the vibrant ocean depths. The stark contrast of the icy domain and the warm sea depths captivates the leopard. A montage begins, children and their animal companions together in joyous celebration of their unique bonds. Laughter and playful antics fill the air as children and animals share adventures. The final scene radiates warmth, profound unity, and a lasting impression of hope.